Hello, my name is Laetitia Uwera. I'm a fashion designer and I did the costume designing with Cedric for Kwibuka 30.
So me and Sisi, we were a team for the costumes, for the dancers who performed tonight.
We did the concept together with the team. We told the story, the past, the future, how we expect it to be, how we dream it to be, and the present where we're constructing. And so the costume, it was like an accessory to tell what we were dressing with our culture, what we are doing now. We're mixing our culture and modernity and what we expect to have in the future.
I think we had the base for the costume. We had the base that all the dancers had. It was also a reminder of we all one. We went back to the same story that we know different. So we had like this brown full costume just to remind us that part.
The evolution of Rwanda after 30 years. It's been a lot. It's been a big change. If you're not probably from here, you think it looks like a magic, but it's not. It's been very, very hard work. Togetherness, the unity, the forgiveness, and how we're building Rwanda now to kind of give the whole world the hope, the message of not having this, of the value of humanity and the equality of everyone. So I think from 1994 to today, for me, Rwanda is like a star that the whole world should look up on to kind of learn from us what we passed through and where we put ourselves today. I believe art heals, and as we have a bigger young generation, like we are like 60% of the whole Rwanda, and seeing young generation expressing their feelings, what they want to achieve, what they want Rwanda to be through art is the most beautiful thing. And it's how we are, like as young generation mostly, we're trying to express or to give message to the world also through our art, what we do to the youth, to remind them to be very grateful of the safe and beautiful country we have and use it wisely in unity to continue to build the country that our elders and parents fought for.
I mean, it's something that I will tell myself also. I think it's to hold the light, to not lose the light, to keep holding it to the future.